didn't take that trade. But what we did do is when it moved above this moving average here, we took the trade. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars later, we were in profit. Again, we see the same thing here. We did not take the down trade, but we did take the blue. I'm sorry, we did take this trade here. It's above the blue moving average line for us, and as you can see, we did lose that trade. We didn't take any down trades. A little noise right there, but again here, as you can see, we took that trade as well. It was a green indicator bar above the blue moving average, but again, we lost that trade. We're still above the itchy cloud, so we're still doing really good. This particular trade, we were right on the edge of the cloud, so went ahead and took that trade because it's above the cloud now, even though, and we do have a blue indicator line here. You can't see it because it's kind of blending with the other moving average, but we do have a blue indicator line indicating that it is in an upward trend. So we did take that trade here. We profited out there. Again, the same thing here. Blue moving average, green candle. Got out 6 bars later. And one more, I think it is. Blue indicator line here. Green candle, and we profited out here. So we had 8 wins, 3 losers on the Nadex. That's about a 72% win rate. So I want to go back and show you on that same chart what we did with the Forex market for those of you who trade Forex, who trade the Forex. So we took our first trade on that same time frame, which is about 10 days here. And so as you can see here, we waited until the candles dropped below the itchy cloud. Once it dropped below the itchy cloud, we took that trade on that red candle, and we stayed in that trade for 37 bars, 187 pips. That's about a day and a half. That would have been enough to stop for the month for most people. But since we're traders, we take all trades that we see, and we win when we win, and when we lose, we stop out and we cut our losses. And so we're waiting for another entry. This is the Forex system that I use here. We're waiting for another entry. As you can see here, we're not taking, that was a down move. We got out when it crossed above this 16-day moving average here, the bold line. We exited the trade. So since we're under the itchy cloud, we're not going to take any up moves. And so we would not take that move there because, as you can see, this cloud, we're under the cloud. And so we're going to wait until we get another down move that we can make profit on. And so as you can see here, we did not take this down move as well because we have a blue moving average line. And so even though we have a red bar going under our 16-day moving average, we did not take that trade because we have a blue moving average line here that indicates it may go up. So we did not take that trade. Some would have taken that trade and made money, but we did not. And so here you see now the bars are moving up through the itchy cloud. And we did not take this trade here because, as you can see, the moving average line is still red. And so when we see this, you see here this trend now, these candles are moving up through the cloud, which means we're going to wait for it to get out of the cloud because we don't want to take any trades inside of the cloud. It's a little noisy in there and you can kind of get chopped around. And so we waited until the candles cleared the cloud, which was right here. Would be our first trade to the upside. Now we're taking all buy positions, and so you can see we got 9 bars, 32 pips here. We did not take that again because it is a down move, but we're above the Ishi cloud. We do not want to take anything above any down moves when the candles are above the Ishi cloud. And so as we move along here, we see here we get our first move uh, with the over the, we have a green bar here. I'm sorry. We have a green bar here, which, and also a blue moving average line, which shows that we are in an uptrend. More than likely, this moving average is blue because it indicates we're going the stock of this, the price of this pair is going to be moving upward. And so on this bar, we got in, and you can see we got another 28 pips before it broke this 16-day moving average, which we exited the trade. Again, we're looking for up trades. And so as you can see here, we have a blue moving average, which means that we're in an uptrend. We have a green bar. It broke through the 16-day moving average. We're above the Ishi cloud, but as you can see, we lost 10 points on that trade. Same here. Again, we're blue moving average above the cloud, a green bar. We lost 7 points there. And so we're just waiting for another up move. Again, we're not going to take any green candles on a red moving average. So we did not take that move right there, nor did we take that move there. We waited until we got, we actually could have taken this position here, but we did not take it. We did not take that position here. But as you can see here, we got a big move up above our 16-day moving average. Our indicator indicates that this particular pair is on the buy side and it is going up because it's blue. And as you can see here, we stayed in that trade until it crossed under the 16-day moving average, is where we exited at for 42 points. And one more trade here. We got in here, have a blue moving average indicating that it's a buy signal, a green candle. We're above the 16-day moving average, and we got 102 pips before the end of the day. And so as you can see here, we had 5 losers on the Forex, 471% win rate. And that took about 10 days. We got about 476 pips out of that move if you are a Forex trader. So there it is. If you are a part of our group, we, of course, will go into detail about that, these trades, these positions, and these strategies, so that you will be able to understand them in full detail. And you would get an understanding of how to do what we do when we trade the trend. And so if you're interested in learning more about how to make pips on the Forex or how to win on the Nadex, go ahead and like this video. Also, share it with your friends. We also have a group that's in the description below this video. Request to join the group at Easy Forex Options. Right now, the group is a public group. Anyone can join. You can even add your friends in as well if you know any traders that want to be a part of the group. We want to have a robust trading group that learns how to make money the easy way, trading the Forex or the Nadex. We also have a Facebook page. It's called Easy Forex Options. It's a page where we have discussions that's open for anyone who would like that page. It's free of charge, no cost. The group is free of charge, no cost. For now, it's a public group. Both of them are places where we have great discussions on how to make money in the Forex market and on the Nadex. I'll squeeze this chart down a little bit to kind of see if we can look at what we had here. As you can see here, when you have a pair that's trending up and down, this is all below the cloud, and then we have some noise here, and then you can see it's all above the cloud on the Forex. Even inside of that, you have several places with the arrows where we took money out of the market on the Nadex as well. And so either way here, if you manage your money correctly and you stick to your trading plan, you'll be able to come up with you'll be able to come up with a winning percentage, just like we did here in these 10 days on this euro yen pair. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video now. Of course, this is not a detailed lesson on how to trade this particular strategy. But I wanted to whet your appetite to get you to get over to Easy Forex Options. Like the page, Easy Forex Options group. Request to join the group where we'll have webinars, training sessions, all kind of good stuff to make sure you ladies and gentlemen out there will have the tools you need to become a better trader. That's it for now. Happy trading, traders.